Don't forget to like and subscribe to see all our upcoming videos. Let's dive into the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this one's full of surprises. Apple is making some bold moves this year. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be even thinner, with smaller bezels and a lighter titanium frame. Apple may introduce a redesigned internal layout to achieve thinner bezels, possibly around 1.5 millimeters. Now for the camera. And here's where things get serious. Apple is rumored to be giving the iPhone 17 Pro Max not just one or two, but three high-resolution sensors. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to feature a 48-megapixel wide camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. There's also talk of a major upgrade to the zoom system, an upgraded telephoto lens with up to 8 times optical zoom with continuous zoom capability. That's a huge step forward for mobile photography. Under the hood, this iPhone is expected to deliver serious power. It will likely be powered by Apple's most advanced chip yet. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to run on Apple's A19 Pro chip built on a 3-nanometer process. That means better battery life, faster speeds, and more efficient multitasking. Apple might finally be giving us the battery life we've all been asking for. Leaks suggest a larger capacity battery with improved charging efficiency. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could include Apple's largest battery ever, about 5,000 mAh capacity. This could be the longest-lasting iPhone ever made. With iOS 19, artificial intelligence is taking center stage. Expect smarter photos, better voice commands, and real-time suggestions, all processed directly on the device. If all these leaks are true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's most complete and powerful iPhone yet. Beautiful design, high-end cameras, serious power, and smarter software, this phone could change everything.